My wife has given up asking, how many clamps does the Johnsonville woodworker need? And the answer is, it depends what you do. What are you making? Do you need 2 or more? Do you clamp things up 1 at a time? 2 at a time? Or 4 at a time? Or more? What kind of clamps do you need? Bar clamps? F clamps? C clamps? Hand screws? Or spring clamps? Again, 1 at a time? Or 2? How much pressure do you need? Do you want it evenly spread around? This is a good workout. A variety and length of clamps helps. This isn't bad. Boat builders need a lot of clamps. But wait, we need more. Really? 2 at once? It took me a year to build these, so I wanted to do it as fast as possible and needed a lot of clamps. This is interesting. 2 at once? Really? Okay, but how do you store these? Some scrap pegboard helps. Then hang them in my clamp rack till they're needed again. So how do you collect a ridiculous amount of clamps? I asked people at Christmas to buy me a clamp. After 10 years, I had a bunch of clamps. My wife says I planned my projects by needing to buy more tools and clamps. Look for sales and take advantage of the opportunity. The green-handled spring clamps I found for $1 a piece. This took me 40 years to collect all these clamps. At 100 clamps in 40 years, that's 2.5 a year. That doesn't sound so bad. Woodworking is an adventure, and every journey begins with the first step. Just start. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell. I appreciate you watching the Johnsonville Woodworker.